The bar model is an effective visual tool to introduce sharing in a ratio. The bar represents the whole amount. The bar is then divided into equal parts. The total number of equal parts is found by adding the two numbers in the ratio. In this case, 2 plus 5 equals 7. We can also show how the bar is divided into the two ratios by colouring. To calculate how much of the total goes into each box, divide the quantity to be shared by the sum of the ratios, 21, by 7, which is equal to 3. This means that the red section has a total of 6 and the green section a total of 15. Therefore 21 shared in the ratio of 2 to 5 is 6 and 15. We'll begin with the interactive teaching page, which gives the initial quantity and the ratios. The three coloured buttons randomize the ratios to a maximum total of 9, and also the initial quantity. The blue button will have initial quantities up to 100, the purple button is in multiples of 10 to 1000, and the red button random numbers up to 1000. Step 1 is to calculate how much goes into each portion in the bar, which in this case is 35 divided by 7, which equals 5, which we enter via the calculator, then clicking on the grey circle next to it. To help work out the numbers in the answer line, we can colour in 4 squares in one colour and 3 in another using the pens. And we can see that the answers are 3 times 5 and 4 times 5. With the accompanying printable worksheets, you can also randomize the initial quantity and ratio in the same range of numbers as in the teaching page. Also, the answers will appear at the click of a button. The second teaching page is more of a challenge, as the ratios and one solution is given, and the aim is to find the initial quantity and the other answer. The three coloured buttons randomize the ratios to a maximum total of 9 and one of the answers. We begin by calculating how much goes into each portion of the bar by dividing the answer given by its corresponding ratio. If 2 portions result in an answer of 10, one portion must be 5. We can then colour in and see that the missing answer is 20. And the initial quantity was 20 plus 10, which equals 30. The second set of printable worksheets complement the second teaching page and again provide 3 ranges of numbers which can be randomized, and also at the click of a button you can see the answers.